So welcome students. So in this question, you're given that three numbers x, y, z are in AP and tan inverse x, tan inverse y, tan inverse z. These are also in AP. If that is so, what is the relation between x, y and z? So let us try to convert the given information into equations. So x, y, z are in AP. That means 2y should be equal to x plus z, right? And tan inverse x, tan inverse y, tan inverse z are in AP again. So 2 times tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus tan inverse of z, right? So this is an equation which is very straightforward. Let us try to convert this equation into a standard form. So this implies 2 tan inverse y is equal to, so what is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of z? It's nothing but tan inverse of x plus z by 1 minus xz. And what is 2 tan inverse y? So 2 tan inverse y is tan inverse of 2y by 1 minus y square. So I'm just using basic formulas in inverse trigonometry. So 2 tan inverse y is tan inverse of 2y by 1 minus y square is equal to tan inverse of x plus z by 1 minus xz. Right? This implies if I equate these two, 2y by 1 minus y square is equal to x plus z by 1 minus xz. And 2y is already equal to x plus z, so I can cancel this up. 2y is equal to x plus z. So this implies 1 minus xz is equal to 1 minus y square. Is 1 and 1 gets cancelled. This implies y square is equal to xz. So if tan inverse x, tan inverse y, tan inverse z are in AP, then y square should be equal to xz if this is also valid. So now as you can see, this statement says that x, y, z are in AP. This statement says that y square is equal to xz implies x, y, z are in GP. So we have three numbers x, y, z which are in AP as well as GP. So what is the meaning of it? That means x should be equal to y is equal to z. Or if you think of it in a different way, now y is the arithmetic mean of xz, y is also the geometric mean of xz. So arithmetic mean is equal to geometric mean happens only if all the numbers are same. So the answer A is the right option to this question. Thank you.